Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Holding Out for a Hero on guitar. We'll start by identifying the core chords. You'll primarily use G major, C major, D major, and E minor. These four chords form the backbone of the song. Focus on clean transitions between them, ensuring each chord rings out clearly. Practice these shapes until they feel natural and effortless. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern. The song has a driving, upbeat feel, so a consistent down-up motion is key. Try a pattern like down, up for the main rhythm. Keep your wrist loose and relax to achieve a smooth, continuous flow. Maintaining a steady tempo is crucial for capturing the song's energy and making it sound authentic. Now, let's put those chords and strumming together for the verse and chorus. The verse typically follows a G, C, D, M progression. The chorus often shifts to a more powerful C, G, D, M sequence. Pay close attention to these changes. Practice transitioning smoothly between these two main sections, building up the song's dynamic energy as you move from verse to chorus. Finally, we'll look at the bridge and outro. The bridge might introduce slightly different chords or a variation in rhythm, adding a new texture. For the outro, you can often end on a strong G major chord, letting it ring out. Remember to use dynamics, playing softer in some parts and louder in others, to give your performance depth and excitement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.